We're making keto macaroni that's just like regular macaroni. Macaroni is the first shape we're doing in our keto pasta shape series. If you want to make spaghetti or fettuccine, click on this link now and it'll take you to that tutorial. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do take a look around. We've got over 100 keto recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified of all our new recipes. Do note the ingredient list is listed in the description box, and the original recipe is actually by I Don't Sugarcoat. I made adjustments to her recipe, and you might need to do the same for when you make it. The reason for the adjustment is due to the different brands of ingredients that we use. Lots of our subscribers have given me feedback and said they've had to make slight adjustments. And I've said back to them that the most important thing is that you achieve the right consistency, which is big clumps. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 122 grams or 2/3 of a cup of Vital Wheat gluten, then 122 grams of lupin flour, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt, then a 1/4 teaspoon or 1 gram of xanthan gum. Give it a whisk to incorporate the xanthan gum into the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, beat 1 egg, then add it, 12 ml or 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and lastly 88 ml of water. Room temperature is fine. Then using your paddle attachment, mix to combine. Just want to show you this. Partway through, it'll look like this, but keep mixing until your dough comes together in big clumps. This is the dough 2/3 of the way through mixing. You can see it hasn't yet formed big clumps. Keep going. And there you go, your dough is ready. Remove the dough from your bowl and your total dough weight should be 403 grams. Then form each ball into a sausage shape. This is perfect for this type of pasta to be compatible with your machine. To set up your pasta press, ensure your cutter is out of the way for safety. Now time to insert your auger, and you'll notice there's a crossed part on the one side that goes in first, and then you twist until it goes down like that. Attach your plate, and we're doing a large macaroni first, then screw it into your pasta press. Add 1 piece of pasta dough to the opening. Set your speed to 6 on your mixing machine, and here is where the magic happens. Do take note of how I cut the pasta in a jagged motion, and this is to ensure a clean cut of your macaroni. Let's talk about a tip on how to dry out your pasta. You can leave it on your bench top overnight, or you can place it in the oven on low setting for an hour. That's what I did with mine. If you have a fan forced oven, you would just get the fan going, but if you don't have a fan forced oven, you would put it on the lower setting. If you're using the oven method, place your keto macaroni on a lined baking sheet and then let the macaroni sit in the oven for at least an hour. This one was extruded at the beginning of the process, and this one at the end. The variation is due to gathering offcuts of the dough and re-kneading it. Now you have a new way of enjoying a beautiful keto mac and cheese. I really hope you get to try this keto pasta. Please do drop me a comment if you have any questions or you're confused about the process. I'm always available. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.